Question first is, what did the child see? Question first is, what did the child see? And its answer is, the child saw a little bird. Again, listen, student. The child saw a little bird. Next question is, what was the little bird doing? Question second is, what was the little bird doing? And its answer is, the little bird sat upon a window. Its answer is, the little bird sat means to sit, बैठना. The little bird sat upon a window, कि वो विंडो में बैठा था. Next question is, do you see any birds around your school or your house? Read again. What is the question? A question है कि do you see any birds? क्या आपने कभी कुछ birds देखे हैं? Any birds around? Around means आपके स्कूल के बाजू में या फिर घर के बाजू में. Around means बाजू में. Around your school or your house. And its answer is, yes, I often see. Yes, I often means हमेशा, often. I often see. OFTEN, often means हमेशा. OFTEN, often see birds around my school or my house. See again its answer. Question is, do you see any birds around your school or your house? And its answer is, yes, I often see. Its answer is, yes, I often see birds around my school or my house. Next question is, have you tried talking to them? Have you tried to talking them means, have you tried to talking with birds? Have you tried talking to them? क्या आपने उन बर्ड्स के साथ में टॉकिंग करने के लिए ट्राई किया है? इफ यू हैव डन, इफ यू हैव tried, then you can write yes, yes, I have tried talking to birds whenever they come and sit on my window. And if you have not tried it, then you can say no. Okay,